Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Daily Tarot, and these are your quick reading, the rest of the month May 24 reading for the Sun, Moon and the rising sign of Taurus. Taurus, please keep in mind that this is your reading on request. I wanted to start with June month reading, and then I was thinking for doing the reading for rest of the year, half of the year reading, but then all of you wanted to have the remaining month glimpse, so I thought of going with my lovely subscriber followers voice and wish. This is going to be a group general reading, so please pick it up what resonates with you. Please leave the rest for others. And you know very well that in case you want to connect with me for a personal private reading, which is a little different from this reading, you can connect with me on my email ID, my WhatsApp, mentioned in the description box below. This is going to be a very short reading. Let us see on a broader way, Taurus, what you are going to have in the month, the rest of May 24. You have Ace of Raphael, which says a positive new emotional experience. I do see this is a very, very beautiful removal of mental, emotional block removal. You are going to feel completely at peace, at calm, and there is some sort of confirmation for your happiness. You know within yourself that from now on, the moment you are able to set yourself mentally and emotionally for any circumstances, the happiness, the joy, the peace is not far. When you will start living in the present, things will improve, massively for you, Taurus. It says a positive new emotional experience. There is going to be a fulfilling romantic relationship also. If you are with your partner, if there were differences, this is such a beautiful time, Taurus, that you will witness in the month of May. Everything is getting started, everything is getting removed. You guys are really enjoying each other's company again, and you are coming towards each other naturally. There is a natural attraction again between both the partners. This is this new spark, which will make you together. And the difference is, the beautiful part is that the difference is, if you are away from your partner, if there was a communication gap, the differences is going to remove, in no time. It says deep and lasting spiritual. You will have a lot of spiritual insights, but then you will have a lot of spiritual, instances or experiences this particular month, which is going to give you altogether a different perspective on the things which you have been doing from so long, or you want to start anything new. And you have a card of strength. It's a very powerful Leo energy presence into your reading. Yes, the willpower, the courage, the patience is going to show you good fruits. It says strength and grace through kindness, self confidence and forgiveness in a relationship or otherwise also in your life. If you practice that, Taurus, you will make all the hurdles away from you. Whenever we hold on things in our heart, things don't move, and then we complain that why things are not moving. It is not moving because we are holding back the things. So be at peace, be at calm, and just enjoy the present, the pleasure of being into present. Forgive that piece of people or relationship or association which you feel is not making any kind of help or support into your present life. And you have a card of Queen of Raphael. So if you see, this is a very different kind of reading, Taurus, because you do have a card which talks about strength, willpower, inner power, but then you also have the biggest healer of the world, the biggest healer of the universe here, Archangel Raphael. The presence is so strong that the healing energy is surrounding you completely, mentally, emotionally, physically, even financially. If you feel things were struck, things were not moving, please know that there is going to be complete recovery. Rather, this whole month is going to be a recovery month for you. Follow your heart, a love of home and family, trustworthy psychic information. Now, if you see both the cards in detail, the cards are telling you to trust your senses, to trust your sixth sense a lot, because your intuition is going to enhance a lot during this particular time. And when you will be able to enhance your intuition, the only guide, the best guide you're going to have with yourself is always your own company, your own insight, your own gut feeling, your own intuition. So trust yourself completely. for even not just for the month of May, but moving forward. Trust your psychic information, your senses, your sixth sense the most. Now let us see what tarot messages do we have for you. And these are going to be little tarot insights, and there are flyers into your reading. Let us see what this flyer is about. Oh my god, this is a card of a wish fulfillment, a happy home, a lovely home, you getting a big good news into your personal professional life. This is also a card of celebration, marriage, welcoming a baby, good news in family extension, and definitely moving in into your hope. So yes, we are still left with roughly 20 days in the month of May when I'm doing this reading today. Expect a good news to strike your life. The good news can be from personal and professional life, but the period is going to be good for you. And your other message card is Page of Pentacle. There is a high possibility that this good news comes from your professional circle. It comes, which is the news is related to your money, career, and finances. And Page is also a sign when it is instigating you from within. There are triggers within that you need to start something of your own very, very soon. Your interest, your passion, it's time for you to convert that into a money making profession, and that is going to run very beautifully for you. And your other card is yet another a page of sword. There is a possibility of receiving much more messages during these 20 days, and all the messages I do feel is primarily related to your professional life. But with this page of sword, there is a tendency that you might not listen to your well-wishers, advisors, or you cut the information coming to you, or you behave like child in your environment or with people. You need to avoid that and try to use the message completely for your own benefit and help. Now let us see what oracle message do we have for you, for my lovely Taurus people out there, for the remaining period. And we do have the card grounding. It says it's time for you to go deep, go within, and explore your roots. Oh my goodness, this is a very, very different kind of reading, unlike any other reading. I do feel this is one of the very different kind of reading wherein every message is about you going within, going inside your intuition, inside your inner sense, your inner wisdom, because that is going to unleash the true potential of your soul journey in this particular lifetime. So just, I do feel you need to practice more and more meditation. You need to practice more and more affirmations, and the daily practice, morning, evening, if you follow that at particular time, trust me, you will be able to have lot of angelic communication. You will be able to open up the roots of divine communication, wherein you can channelize your things and your intuition can directly talk to you in a very clear manner. Just work on your clairs, work on your senses, and this is going to be very, very fruitful for you in time to come. Dear Taurus, do let me know that how you resonated with your quick short reading for the rest of the May 2024. I will see you next time very soon. Be blessed.